Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a short review of the HomCom air conditioning unit. It's a 5000 BTU unit. And it's a portable air conditioning. So this is actual air conditioning, not just a fan or air cooling. So with this one it will vent out the hot air. Here it goes, here it is. Very sleek design, nice and simple. We've got some information on the side here. Just pan up nice and slow here. So there we go. Yeah. In terms of dimensions, it is around 70 centimeters tall, or what's that? 27.5 inches tall, and then the footprint is 30 centimeters or 12 inches square. So put it down, here we go, 30 centimeters 12 inches. So while we're on the top, we have the control panel here. So it has a timer function. You can adjust the speed of the fans to high and low. This is your temperature control and temperature display. It also sets the timer. So when it's on and you set the timer, you choose the number of hours and then it will turn off in that time. Or while it's off, you set the timer, you choose the number of hours, and then after those hours it will turn on. The unit has three functions. It has your cool function, which is your air conditioning, so that will cool the air and remove the humidity. It has a dry function, which is designed to just remove the humidity, and then it has a fan, so it will just blow air, that's all. So mode and power. We also have a remote. The remote has an additional function, which is the sleep button. And what the sleep button does is, when you set it in that mode, the temperature will slowly go up 2 degrees and then the unit should turn off. So I'm going to turn the unit on. The decibel rating on the side is 65. On the website it's about 54. So if I get it going, I presume that's going to be the high and low settings. So I've got it set to 22 degrees Celsius. There you go, you can hear the air conditioning compressor kick in there. So that's high. And there we go, that's low. It's very effective in cooling the room. I'm not too sure what capacity of air conditioning unit you should have for the specific size rooms. So I'll just run through the modes. Fan, dry. I don't really know what that does. It's not doing anything. The fan. Okay, you can hear the compressor turn off. So on the turn off. Take a moment to turn off. Oh, there we go. Right, so the only vent control you have is this one here and this one here. And what happens, and it will spread the airflow out in a bit of a cone shape. With the unit you get the remote, you get the tube and window insert, you also get the connector on the back, so this pumps out all of the hot air and that's what cools the unit. To clean the machine, you've got your filter on the back here, so you can pop open. It's got clips on the other side there, and there's one on the bottom here. On the bottom here you have the nozzle to drain out liquid that is removed from the air. And that's it. There we go, nice machine.